How to add grow animation in Wix Studio. So to add that, you can actually apply it to images, text, as well as buttons. Just choosing here the actual element that you want to apply it to. I'll choose right here this heading. And then from in there, just click onto this open inspector icon. And it should be able to show up right here this. Click onto this animation and effects. And if you want to make it grow, you can see in here that as of right now, the actual animation is shrink. So let's remove that. And for this, let's choose in here the entrance animation and click onto this add. Let's choose in here this expand because it is actually the grow animation. Head over and then click onto this expand, or you can also choose in here this grow right there. You have two options to choose from right there. So from there, just click on that animation and it should be able to be applied. And here is a preview of how that will look like. So that's how you add girl animation in Wix Studio. Hope we helped.